guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be doing the installation of the LED turn signals. So we're going to go from this to this right here. As you can see, it's a big difference. I think the dark housing lights look really cool on this, giving it more of the blacked out look. The orange kind of stands out too much, I don't know. Plus the LED is going to be a lot more cooler, obviously. So I had already filmed this video earlier, and I had some technical difficulties at home with my computer. Somehow the video got deleted off my screen, and I don't know what to do. So I had to come out, redo it again. I came out to this parking lot here to do it because apparently all my neighbors decided to all mow their lawn today, and obviously we don't want to hear any of the lawnmowers in the background. So we're gonna get into it. Really simple. All you're gonna need for this installation is gonna be this flathead right here, and all you're gonna want to do is find where you have this little niche right there. You're gonna stick it right in there, and it's gonna pop right out just like that. So once the amber cover comes off, the next step is going to be to take off the light bulb inside, and it's going to be real simple. All you're going to want to do with this is press in, turn left, and it pops right out just like that. Easy as candy. 1, 2, 3 is done. Now we got our LED light right here. Really cool. And these are going to be a lot different from what you guys seen lately on other bikes. These light up very differently, and you'll see when I turn it on. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, very simple to put this in. Both these little pieces right here, you're gonna find a niche because they have different grooves in there, so you're gonna put them in 2 of the grooves. Some of them might take it, some of them might not. So look, I just put it in that one didn't take it. Turn it around, try it there. No. And there we go. So all you're gonna want to do is just find the perfect niche, push in and turn to the right, and it'll stay in right there. Now with this excessive wire that we have here, all you're gonna want to do is just turn, keep turning till it all curls up, and that's gonna keep it tight in place back there, just like that. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna grab our tinted cover. It's fine if it stays that way. Once this goes in, it'll push it back. All right, so you're gonna want to take your cover, pop it in just like that, make sure it's all set. Very good. We're gonna turn the bike on. We're gonna see how awesome these lights look. Big difference from the other ones, like I mentioned before. I personally think they look amazing. Oh, why am I doing this for? And ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da! So like I mentioned before, these are a bit different from the ones that I'm pretty sure you guys seen before. These have more of that halo right at the edge of it. They look amazing. Most of these lights, they just all light up, and they look nice, but I think this one just gives it an extra cool touch right here. Very awesome. We're gonna show you how they look with the turn signals on. So there we go. The white comes off, then the amber all in the middle turns on. Very cool. Now it says in the paper, in the directions, that these got to stay on for about 5 minutes just with the flashing hazard lights. I already done that, and that's only just so it could synchronize with the electronics of the bike, so it won't go haywire and go crazy. But that's done already. Overall, pretty cool. I think they look awesome. I tried to see if when I put my headlight here on high beam, if it will make a difference on top with these, but it doesn't. It stays as is. That would have been pretty cool though, just to give you an option just to put your high beam on. They all would have turned white, but whatever. It looks amazing. It looks pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. I'm happy to have that orange off. Definitely kind of thrown it off since this kind of all blacked out bike. And if you're wondering where I got the LED turn signals from, they are from Eagle Lights. All the information is going to be down in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and purchase these. I got them off Amazon. Like I said, the pricing description, the link will be down below in the box. The lights came also with the housing, so 2 for the price of 1, which is pretty cool. I do, now that I see how these turned out, pretty happy with them. I do want to go ahead and probably order these next here in the back, and then I'm also going to want to get that grill cover that they have for these bikes that also make it look pretty cool. And yeah, real simple installation. You can do this literally anywhere. As you can see, I came here to this parking lot to do it. You need 1 tool, and it literally took a minute or 2, and that was that. All right, guys, so if you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell button. It's gonna notify you anytime I upload a new video. And as always, guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride.